In 2026, the easiest way to make money with AI isn't what everyone's telling you. It's not drop shipping. It's not selling courses. It's not affiliate marketing. Those models are dying. People want results and they want them fast. So today I'm giving you 7 AI businesses you can start this year with no skills and almost no money. I've built multiple 7-figure businesses using these exact models. I've done over $18 million in sales. And the wild part, I'm not a coder. I'm not a developer. I was a corporate employee who quit my job and figured this out from scratch. So if I can do it, you can too. I'm going to go through all 7, what they are, how they work, and how much you can realistically make. And stick around to number 7 because that's the one I'm personally going all in on right now. It's the biggest opportunity I've ever seen. Let's get into it. Number 1, Faceless content creation. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money with AI right now. Here's how it works. You start a page on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, but you never show your face. You use AI to create all the content. AI writes the scripts, AI generates the visuals, AI even creates the voiceover. Tools like HeyGen, 11 Labs, and Claude do all the heavy lifting. Once your page grows, you make money through brand deals, ad revenue, and promoting products. I know people making $5,000 to $10,000 a month from faceless pages they run in their spare time. The best part, you can start today with 0 followers and $0. Number 2, the AI automation agency. This is where the real money is for service businesses. Every local business right now is drowning in repetitive tasks, answering the same questions, following up with leads, booking appointments. You can use AI tools to automate all of that for them and charge them every single month to manage it. Here's the opportunity. Most business owners have no idea how to set this up, but you can learn it in a weekend. Then you charge them $1,000 to $3,000 a month to handle their automations. 5 clients is up to $15,000 a month. You're not trading hours for dollars. You set up the system once and it runs. Number 3, reselling AI education. This one is perfect if you're a complete beginner. Here's how it works. There are programs out there that teach people how to use AI, and they give you the rights to resell that program and keep most or all of the profit. So you don't have to create anything. You don't have to be the expert. You just share something people already want to learn and you get paid. This is how a lot of people make their first money online because the product is already built. The training is already done. You're just the one putting it in front of people. It's the fastest path to your first sale when you're starting from 0. Number 4, the AI service provider. This is where you offer a done-for-you service powered by AI. Think about it. Businesses need content. They need social media posts. They need email campaigns. They need graphics. You can deliver all of that using AI in a fraction of the time it used to take. For example, you could offer to write a month of social media content for a local business. Something that used to take days now takes you an hour with AI. You charge them $500 to $2,000 a month, and you stack clients. The business gets their content, you get recurring income, and AI does most of the work. This is one of the quickest ways to replace your day job income. Number 5, AI voice and avatar content. This is a brand new opportunity that barely existed a year ago. With tools like HeyGen, you can create an AI version of yourself, an avatar that looks and talks like you. You write a script and your avatar delivers it. No camera, no filming, no editing yourself on screen. Businesses and creators will pay you to produce this content for them. Training videos, social media videos, sales videos. You can also use it to build your own brand without ever turning on a camera. Let me let you in on a little secret. The video you're watching right now is being delivered by my AI avatar. I wrote the script and the avatar did the rest. That's how powerful this has become. Number 6, white label software. This is one of my favorite models. Here's how it works. There are companies that build powerful software and they let you put your own brand on it and resell it as your own. You don't build anything. You don't code anything. You just rebrand their software, sell it to businesses, and collect monthly payments. Think of it like a restaurant that uses someone else's recipe but puts their own name on the menu. I've used this exact model to build a business with over 1,000 paying members. Customers pay every single month, and the software company handles all the tech for you. But this leads me to number 7, the biggest opportunity of them all, building and selling your own AI software. This is the one I'm going all in on, and here's why. We are in the middle of what I call the software gold rush. Just a couple years ago, building software cost $50,000 to hundreds of thousands of dollars. You had to hire developers. You had to wait 6 months just for a basic version. It was completely out of reach for normal people. But now, with AI tools like Lovable, Claude, and others, you can build real software without writing a single line of code. You just describe what you want and the AI builds it. I'm not exaggerating when I say what used to take 6 months now takes about 15 minutes, and it costs as little as $40 to $60 to build. I've personally seen a 6-year-old build an app, and a 65-year-old who's never touched code build an entire software in a day. Now, here's why software beats every other business. It's recurring revenue. When someone buys your software, they don't pay once. They pay every single month. Think about Netflix. You pay every month because you get value every month. That's what software does for you. You charge customers $47 to $300 a month. Get 200 customers at $50 and you've built a $10,000 a month business. But here's the problem, and this is the part nobody talks about. Building the software is actually the easy part now. The hard part is everything around it. What idea do you even build? How do you know people will actually pay for it? And most importantly, how do you get customers? This is where 99% of people fail. They build something cool, but they have no idea how to find people to buy it. So the software just sits there making nothing. That's exactly the problem my partner Stefan and I set out to solve. Together, we've done over $18 million in sales. So we took everything we know about building and selling software and we put it into one tool. It's called Maker AI, and it walks you through the entire process step by step. Step 1, it finds you a profitable idea based on real market demand. Step 2, it validates that idea so you know people will pay before you build anything. Step 3, it gives you the exact copy and paste prompts to build your software. You literally paste them into a builder and watch it come to life. And step 4, the most important part, it gives you the complete system to actually get customers. The content, the posts, the ads, everything, idea, validation, build, customers. That's the whole loop. Maker AI is like having the brain behind an $18 million business guiding you the entire way. So let's recap the 7 AI businesses you can start in 2026. Number 1, faceless content creation. Number 2, the AI automation agency. Number 3, reselling AI education. Number 4, the AI service provider. Number 5, AI voice and avatar content. Number 6, white label software. And number 7, building and selling your own AI software. Any one of these can change your financial life this year. You don't need money, you don't need skills, you don't need experience, you just need to start. And if number 7 excited you, if you want to build your own software, but you don't know where to begin, that's exactly what Maker AI is for. Comment the word maker below and I'll send you everything you need to get started. You can also find the link in the description. Here's what I want you to understand. The people who take action on AI right now are going to look back in a few years as the ones who got in early. The opportunity is wide, but it won't stay this open forever. So pick one of these 7 businesses, start this week, and take action. If you got value from this video, hit subscribe. I drop new AI business strategies every single week. I'll see you in the next one.